Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, make sure the TV is on and the remote responds. Press Settings or Home to open the on-screen menu. This is faster than guessing. Once the menu appears, navigate to All Settings, then look for Accessibility. On recent LG models, it's under General. You're doing this because the narrator is an accessibility feature, so you'll disable it there. Make sure to move deliberately if the remote lags. Press once and wait for the menu to finish animating before the next press. Once in Accessibility, find Voice Guide or Audio Guidance. Names vary by model. You'll select that option, then toggle the setting from on to off. Do it slowly so the menu registers the command. The TV might speak once more while turning off, so listen and then confirm visually that the toggle reads off. Make sure to check both speaker and headphone output settings if you use external audio. Sometimes the narrator persists on a second output. If there's a save or apply prompt, choose it to lock the change. Finish by exiting settings and performing a quick test. Change channels or adjust volume to confirm no voice plays. If the narrator still speaks, restart the TV. This clears temporary audio services. Once restarted, recheck accessibility to confirm Voice Guide remains off. Make sure you didn't toggle a different voice option. If it still persists, reset accessibility to defaults or perform a soft factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: try a different remote or the LG.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.